This is a one Tigress Molle panel. Let's see. I've got one right here. See, one Tigress. Isn't it Tigress with two S's? Because, you know, a tigress like a lioness. Anyway, they come in this sticky freaking plastic wrap. It's a beast to get off. But what I'm gonna do, it's a two-piece unit. It's designed to go on the back of like your seat in your car. But I'm gonna actually mount it up here to the roof of my side-by-side and put some stuff on it. Well, I just bought some little Gorilla Velcro straps, and I just strapped it around the roll bar, the roll cage. A little cleaner look than using the big old buckles that they gave me with the kit. So I put one in the back, one in the front, and got this first aid kit on here. This is a terrible, so I just pull it right off and take it with me wherever I need to go, and it'll just live up there.